If it's just words, then we are just like a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. So I hear in the feast, we have this passion to really share the gospel, to share Jesus to every generation, especially the next one. In Psalm 71 verse 8, the psalmist says, "Even when I'm old and gray, do not forsake me, my God, till I declare your power to the next generation, your mighty acts to all who are to come." You know, I read this verse, it kind of resonates with me already. Kasi truth be told, I do have old, gray, white hair. Hindi lang masyadong halata, it doesn't seem to be so when you look at me from afar, but when you look closely, my hair here, the side of my neck and my head, if I grow it out, my wife notices it, makikita mo may mga puti na dyan. And I make mention of that today to simply say that I'm old. We're getting old. I'm 39 years old. I started doing ministry when I was 14. And I wanted to just to highlight that, not to gain your praise, but to tell you that no matter what generation you belong or age you have now, God can use you to share His love, to share His grace to every generation. Here's what I realized being 25 years in ministry and serving, that we can reveal who God is through our words, but we will just be like a noisy gong and a clanging cymbal if we do not do it through a life of love. I'll say that again and illustrate it through my point. Can I have a drumstick? We can reveal who God is through our words, through preaching like this, through sharing your faith, and all that will be good, but if it's just that, just words and no actions, no true self-giving love coming out of your life, through your relationships, through your work, if it's just words, then we are just like a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. O, di ba? Nagulat kayo? Ganyan tayo. Kung puro salita lang at hindi natin isinasabuhay ang salita ni Lord at minamahal ang mga kapwa nating tao, nagtatagalog na ako, praise be to God, para lang tayo noisy gong and clanging cymbal. Maingay lang. So sabihin mo sa katabi mo, dapat nagmamahal ka ng totoo. So we want to live life with the grace of God to speak the truth in love, but also live it out truthfully every day with everything that we do, to our family, to our work, to our different relationships. It can't just be words. It has to happen through our actions.